Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Swiss Army knife. And this one is a discontinued Wenger Swiss Army knife. And once again, with this particular kind of knife, the naming is interesting. Because I checked online to figure out what the right name for this knife is. This is supposed to be the Biker 36, also known as the small mountain bike. Now, the problem is this. The box says large mountain bike. Now, maybe it's in the wrong box. I'm not 100% sure. But something is weird somewhere. So, let's take a look at this thing. The last one of these I looked at, the instructions were in French, and that was not super useful for me. So these instructions are also in French. Yeah, also in French. So not a lot of good there. Alright, so let's take a look at this knife. So the knife itself is supposed to be comparing the tools to the stuff online, the information online. This is supposed to be the small mountain bike, and it's got a sticker on it that says, let's take a look at this. So it's got a corkscrew. Alright, so it's got a corkscrew, and it says small. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see the sticker or not. It says small. It says small. How do I get the sticker off the corkscrew so we can look at it? I don't want to rip the sticker because I think it has words that we need, but maybe that's weird, but I bet I can. There we go. I guess it makes sense with it being a corkscrew and all. Alright, so let's see if we can figure this out. So I'll get that close so y'all can see it too. Hopefully you can see the camera. So it says small, looks like mountain bike, which is the name that the tools indicate, like the tools on the knife indicate. So maybe they put it in the wrong box? I don't know. So I also don't know about the price. So let's see. The price is, can y'all see that? I'm trying to get, it's hard to see if y'all can, if the camera will zoom in on that. It says 115 something. So I don't know. That's interesting though. Alright, so this particular knife has a corkscrew, which they very sneakily put a sticker on with the right name of the knife. It's got an awl, and this one has scale tools. It's got the corkscrew, not the corkscrew, the toothpick, and the tweezers. The last one of these particular knives we looked at, the pocket mountain bike, didn't have scale tools. That's kind of neat. And then we get a nail file and the large knife blade. We get the super aggressive looking Wenger can opener and bottle opener would be my guess. Yeah, bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, and wire stripper. And then we get a Phillips head screwdriver. And this one has the hex wrench kind of thing. I think they call it a universal wrench. It's got a little wrench. I always kind of like this wrench. And then we have the chain rivet setter, which is, I guess, to fix your bike chains. So let me look at this. Okay, so that's interesting. The last one we looked at, this thing had to be only part way in for it to close properly. And this one seems to close just fine with it like that. Interesting. And the last tool is this evil thing here that comes off. And this is a little screwdriver and like a bike wrench kind of thing. I don't know. These things that come off always make me a little nervous. Of course, come to think of it, I carry a Cybertool Lite, this thing, and it has removable bits, and that never bothered me. I don't know. I'm just a little weird about that. Oh, also, while I'm thinking about it, when you're taking this tool out, look for the side that has like the extra part cut out, and that's the part that you hook under. And the way it works, you can see right here, there's a little like rod right there, and what you do, let's see if I can get this on camera, you hook this under the rod like that, and then push it down, and it snaps in. Kind of cool. So anyway, I guess it's just glue from the sticker. The sticker's kind of interesting. So, those of you that mountain bike, which one of these knives do you think would be the most interesting? There's this one, there's the pocket one that doesn't have the universal wrench or the screwdriver, and there's a third one that has like this plus pliers, I think. Which one of those do you think would be the most useful? Oh, so let's take a look at this. I'll see if I can give y'all one more shot, if I can get this tag into focus. I hope it focuses okay. It's kind of hard to tell. Anyway, let me know what you think. Is this kind of an interesting knife that you might enjoy or not? This is very much discontinued, and I'll include a link in the description to the Swiss Army Knife wiki page about this knife. There isn't a comparable knife out there that I know, but if you really want a knife like this, you can check like eBay and that kind of thing, and just keep an eye out. They do pop up every now and then. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know down in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.